Oh no, it's December 6th again. Mum's birthday. What should I get her? No, it's Mum's birthday again. My love language is acts of service, not gift giving. What about this curtain? It could be a scarf, perhaps. That's quite nice. Soft salmon. No, she hates soft salmon. No. So do you also agonize over what to get your parents each time their birthday rolls around? It feels like they've already got everything in their life, like me, the best present of all. Outside of work, I love doing crafty stuff. That's why I like to create homemade gifts. They're unique, inexpensive, and yet show how much thought and care you've put in. Molto bene. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create five thoughtful and personalized gifts that would make any parent feel special. Because who doesn't like to receive something with a personal touch? I know I do. Well, my mum has given me some feedback actually that she doesn't want any more of my homemade mugs, so let's get cracking. First up, food labels. We love a label and we love a food. That's a win-win, folks. Whether your mum's into hot sauce or even strawberry jam, a jar of anything homemade is sure to impress. Unless it's air, that's not very impressive. I learned that the hard way. Rather than start from scratch, I'll see what templates already exist. Ooh, this one's close to perfect. I'll just change a few things to make it more me. Oh, yuck, that's an icky rectangle. I'm gonna delete you, mate. But I'm gonna keep that chili. I'm gonna rotate you around, add in a couple more to line the top and the bottom. Perfect. Since the sauce is gonna be extra spicy, I wanna add in some flames to the design. I'll drag this to the top and reposition it behind some of the chilies. Then flip it, and of course reverse it, and do the same for the bottom. Oh my God, looking absolutely stunning. I might change the text though. How about Jacko's hot sauce? Yeah, that's got a good ring to it. Now for a catchy slogan. Ooh yeah, much better than my mugs. Great. That's guaranteed to give her a chuckle, I hope. Now, I can print this off by heading up here. I'll just change the size to large and select a gloss finish before I hit checkout. We love a gloss. Okay, now to put in Mum's credit card. The stickers will be on their way and should arrive within 7 days. Thanks so much, Mum. That'll allow plenty of time to cook and bottle the sauce. If your mum's not a chili fan, you could try making her some jam or even hand sanitizer. Even a jam-flavored sanitizer. Check out these sticker designs I've made using other templates in Canva. They only took me 5 minutes to create and it looks like I've gone to a whole lot of effort. Same goes with this lovely swing tag for sanitizer-flavored cookies. Yum. If you're into candle making, knitting, sewing, or anything handmade, adding personalized tags to this makes your work so much more special. Now, let's switch things up and take a look at how to create a quirky gift voucher or coupon for Mum too. I've been a very bad son, so I need to make it up to her this year. She's gonna be showered in gifts. Once again, I'll start with a template because we absolutely love a template and it makes the whole journey oh so much easier. This isn't quite what I had in mind, but I think it'll be a good base to work from. I want to make this a breakfast in bed voucher, so I'm going to write that down there and then change this to a special gift just for you, Mum. I'll add in a few more details like who it's from and of course the terms and conditions, because that's an important part of any legitimate gift, i.e. not to be re-gifted to Grandma like you did last year, Mum. That was very sad. To make this gift playful, I'll add in the QR code over here too. She won't know how to use it, but she'll give it a red hot crack. This can link to a Google form or even a menu designed for her to order her breakfast from. Yum. Let's pretend I've already made a cute menu on Canva and I have the link hot and ready to go. I'll pop that in there. So now I'll hit generate QR code. It's just that easy, folks. So to help pull this design together, I'm going to add in another background color. I'll do this by placing two separate rectangles here, and then of course adding a dotted link in between so it looks like a ticket stub. Can you tell that I went to art school for 5 years, folks? Absolutely beautiful. Now that we have a light background, I need to change the font to something darker so it pops. I'll also adjust the sizing because she's probably lost her glasses for the 10th time today and can't see a thing. That's looking good, but it's a bit bare in some spots. I can use this section here to add in a cute birthday message and perhaps even drag this star shape over here too. I'll add my face into the star as well because, well, I'm a star. That's much better. It's fancy and a little bit playful at the same time. Alrighty, so let's fast forward to the day Mum cashes in her breakfast coupon and she's asked for a herbal tea. Yuck! If you really want to make her day, how about serving it in a special birthday mug like this? I know this is a touchy area to go into, Mum, but just wait till you see what I can do. I've learnt my lesson. First, I'll need to drop in a photo. That's a good one. Then I'll select a different color for this and change the text. Once again, I can get this printed by Canva. I'll head up here and make sure everything's looking comfy before I proceed to the checkout and put in Mum's credit card details once again. Thank you, Mum. As you can see, there's an option to print on both sides of the mug. And that's it. The mug will be on its way within 5 to 7 days. Sorry that your birthday is tomorrow, Mum. Missed it again. For the final design, I want to show you another great item that you can get printed directly on Canva. And of course, that's a tote bag. We love a tote. A tote makes an excellent gift because it's a guaranteed to get plenty of use, like when she goes to the shops in the morning, the late morning, the afternoon, and then of course, the evening as well. Since I already know exactly what I want, I'll start with a blank design this time. First up, I need some flowers because mums love flowers, they sure do. Perhaps I'll see what comes up if I search mother and bloom. Would you look at that? I love this flower design. I'll add a few more of these and check out what else is being recommended to me. Now I'm going to include a central image of a mother and a child. Let's see what I can find in the Elements tab. Oh, I love this one, how cartoony it is. Ties in very, very well with the flowers and the colors are perfectly matched. Well done, Canva. All I need to do now is the text. What should I write? How about I'll always pick you? I know it's cheesy, but most mums love that kind of thing. Also, I have no choice because you're my mum and I have to do this for you. This curly retro font is looking cute as well. We love a curl. But some of the words are a bit difficult to read, so perhaps I'll make everything lowercase except for the word always. That is looking absolutely stunning. And just like before, I can order this to get printed with just a few clicks and Mum's credit card details. Thanks again, Mum. Pretty good considering it can take days to find a tote that you like in a shop. And this way you can say you've made it with love and all by yourself. So there you have it, folks. That is 5 unique gift ideas that you can easily create for your parents or any loved one for that matter. So folks, which one are you most likely to make? Please let me know in the comments, or perhaps you could even tell me which one you'd most like to receive this year. I definitely need some more ideas for next year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We'll be posting weekly design tutorials and other inspiring content, so make sure you check back soon. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'm Jackson. See you later.